Gator. Gator McKlusky.
What?
Sherry Lynn.
Sherry Lynn, how are you, darling?
Well, hi there.
I know you too, honey. What's your name?
I'm Becky Joe's little sister.
Beck, last time I saw you, you were Fletcher's.
Oh, this is Kip. No, this is Kip.
Hi, Kip.
Gator, that's a funny name.
Kip's a funny name, too. Get one for the Kipper.
Where have you been?
Huh?
Where have you been?
Been saving myself, darling.
What?
All right!
Gator what?
Gator, anything you like, darling.
Kip, I'm trying to talk to Gator. I just want to know the fella's name.
You get me excited, I'll eat you up.
You going to see your mom and papa now?
Yeah.
Right now? You tell your mom and papa.